I am Sonali. In this session, I will show you how to use the Google Slides and Pear Deck to create the interactive questions. It is necessary to install this Pear Deck for your Google Slide. Go to your Gmail account, then go to Drive, click on the Drive, click on this New, go to your Google Slides. This is a blank presentation. Here is a menu bar. Click on this add-ons, then click on this Get Add-ons. Type here add-on name. Type here Pear Deck. Pear Deck for Google Slides. I have already installed this. Pear Deck for Google Slides. I have already installed. So here is the install. You can manage it and you can uninstall it if you don't want it for the longer time. You can uninstall it. When you are clicking on the first time, it asks for continue. Then click on the continue. It asks the permissions for read the drive data and read the emails. Then grant the permission. Then only you can continue with this add-on. I am closing this. After installing, click on this add-ons. Then Pear Deck for Google Slide. Open Pear Deck add-on. After clicking on this, here is a new navigation pane will become. This is Pear Deck. Here is you can ask the student question. Here is you can user text, choice boxes, numbers, website. You can do that link directly, or you can draw the directly here, and draggable option is also here. You can use the different template from this. Here is a different template. You can use this beginning of lesson. Here is a different template. You can just click on this to take these slides. After clicking on this, your new slide will be here. Here is a different template available. You can use any. This is a draggable slide. See, here is a name for this slide. Draggable, text. Then this is text slide. This is a drawing slide. You can use any. Let's check another template. Here is a during the lesson you can do the assessment activities to the student. See, you can ask this type of questions also, true false type question, or you can do the any assessment to the student by using this different template. You can check all these template, critical thinking, then these example questions, ideas for any content, or for the for the little ones you can use this type of a template. Complete the this word, missing words, or this type of circle the items which start with the specific letter. You can use this type of slides from this template. It will take times, depends on your internet connection. In this way you can create the number of slides from this available template. Go to back and then again search. Here is a mathematical option also available. See, here is a different graphs. Then you can do the platform to solve the problems. Different templates are available. Again go back, then languages, then ELA. These are the different section, or you can select the science. Here you can view the periodical table, or this type of slides. Here is also the geography and social science slides also. I have created one presentation. I will show you how to work with this. I have already created and stored on my drive. This presentation is created by using this add-on. I am again clicking on this add-on. To enable the add-on for this presentation, click on this. Okay, in my presentation here is a different slides created by me. 10 slides are there. Now we will start the interactive session with the student. For this, click on this start lesson. Student based activity or instructor based activity. I am clicking on this. You can select the type. We are now starting the interactive session with the student. You can use this link with the student on WhatsApp group, or you can send the mail, or you can paste this link on the Google Classroom. So student will join by using this link or this class code. You can use this class code to join, or you can copy the link of the session from here. Okay, link copied to clipboard. Okay, now here I'm using the two Gmail account. Now I'm sending the mail to the student and I'm pasting this link here. I'm sending this mail to the student. Here I am using the two account. One is teacher account and one is student account. Okay, teacher had sent the mail from this account. Now I am using the next email Gmail account for the student site. Okay, here is link. This link, student will get this type of a link. When student clicking on this, okay, this is student's window. Okay, slide 1 of 10, this is student view, and see, this is different presentation, and this is teacher's window. Okay, presenting. Okay, when clicking on the next slide, this is second slide. In a teacher's window, there is a options, this no responses or show responses or lock screen, this type of options in teacher's window, and this is student window. Okay, here a student can see step up to the solution, arrange in sequence from bottom to top on pyramid. Okay, so student can select this text or type text here directly. How to type? This is pencil, highlighter, line and text. Click here. So first step is suppose hard work. Okay, this is student window. Student is typing here. Next is this is student. See, click again on the text and again type the consistency. Then again take a text, type here. And last is your, okay, these student can undo this or delete this. Okay, this is student window. I am again going to the presentation teacher's window. Teacher got the one response. Okay, teacher got one response. When teacher clicks on this show responses, suppose 10 students are there, then teacher will got the 10 window. Teacher can change the layout like a grid layout or overlay. Okay, teacher can change it. In this way, see, this is your second. What do you think about the e-learning? Okay, this is teacher window and this is your student window. This is student platform. Student had written something here. Student can add the another response also. Now again I am going to the this window. Uh, Teacher can set the timing for every slide. Okay, here is different option. You can use this also. Next slide. Okay, I'm going again to the presentation. Okay, just right, I'm clicking on this. Okay, this is next. Again going to the teachers window. In this way, you can create the number of slides and you can engage the student. Okay, here we can use this line. This is syntax. This is Java image and this is Python. So I'm again using the line. Okay. Again going to the teachers window. In this way, you can take responses from the students. You can lock the screen when you clicking on this lock screen. See, student got the message. Your teacher has locked responses for this slide. Your current answer is this. Okay. In this way, you can lock or click on the unlock for this unlock. Then there is no message. You can take the next. Okay. Go to the next. Okay. This is one more slide. Suppose the teachers clicking on this notes to display the notes to the student. Then this is the option. So go to the presentation. Okay. This is student side. This is teacher side. Okay. Now when teacher clicks on end, then here is the end session. Enter a name for this session to quickly find and review this student response letter. Okay, so give the session name, session. You can give the any name because we are saving the all the sessions and all the responses which submitted by our student. Save and in the session. So student got the message. Okay, here you click on the return to Google Slides. So the message for the student, that's it. Your teacher has ended this session. How did it go? You can click like or dislike. Okay. This response is recorded in teacher's account. Okay. In this way, you can create the interactive slides by using this add-on, Pear Deck add-on with the Google slide and make your teaching very interesting and engage your students. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for new videos of Pear Deck.